Gentle parenting isn't working, and neither is gentle gardening. These days, there is one phrase you hear everywhere. Gentle parenting. Speak kindly to your kids. Don't get angry. Explain everything with love. So I thought, why not try the same approach with my plants? Let's do some gentle gardening. Every morning I greet them. Good morning, my lovely plants. How are you today? Watered on time, given the best fertilizer, placed in the perfect sunlight. I take such good care of them that honestly I don't even pamper myself this much. But I think my plants must be cousins of stubborn children. The more love I give them, the more drama they create. One starts dropping leaves, another suddenly wilts, and one seems to say, "I'm done, I refuse to grow anymore." Then I think maybe I should be a little strict, skip watering for just 2 days. And they immediately look sad. Give them a little extra water, and suddenly the roots get upset. Seriously, what are we supposed to do? Now my life looks like this. I tell my kids, please take care of your things. And then I turn to my plants and say, please, just stay alive for 1 more week. Honestly, I'm still learning gentle parenting, and I am still learning gentle gardening, but it feels like I am getting more tests than lessons. Still, I am not giving up. One day, my kids will say, Mom was right. And one day, my plants will finally say, all right, let's bloom. Until then, the journey continues with hope, prayers, and lots of new attempts. If you're also stuck between gentle parenting and gentle gardening, leave a comment saying, we're trying our best.